Welcome to the second annual Field of Honor display in Salem, Virginia, opening ceremony November 1, 2025 at American Legion Post 3. This solemn formation of American flags pays tribute to veterans, active duty military, first responders, firefighters, police officers, and those that have made the ultimate sacrifice to defend our freedoms. And each flag represents an individual that you can sponsor and to honor our Veterans Day ceremony. November 11, 2025. We would like to thank the Rotary Club of Salem, Virginia. God bless America.
To all of our corporate sponsors, there's a banner right down here on the field that lists every one of them. Special shout out to the Elks Club. Lastly, I'd also like to thank all the members of Post 3 here. We could not have a better partner to help us do. They did as much of this work as we did. They helped in organizing the field. They helped us a couple of weeks ago to put the flags together.
From the events to help people in our community, our country, and throughout the world.
Oh, say, can you see by the dawn's